Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Kashmir Day, a day of solidarity. Number 1 line. Kashmir Day is observed on 5th February every year. Number 2. It shows our unity with the people of Kashmir. Number 3. This day reminds us of their long struggle and sacrifices. Number 4. We raise our voices for their right to freedom. Number 4. Rallies and speeches are held to spread awareness. Number 6. People pray for peace and justice in Kashmir. Number 7. Kashmir Day teaches us the value of human rights. Number 8. It strengthens the bond of brotherhood and sport. Number 9. We stand together against oppression and injustice. Number 10. Kashmir Day is a symbol of hope and solidarity. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.